Hey, good morning, everyone. I am Shadip Chandrakar. Right now, I'm doing the PhD in the University of South Carolina in the Electrical Engineering Department. And today, I make this video for teaching everyone to know how to upload the bootloader software to a brand new microprocessor. And for doing this, I'm using right now ATSAMD21 microprocessor. Or many people do not know about this. This microprocessor is a very low power consumption microprocessor, and that's why many students use this for the data logging project and different types of things. So firstly, describe what the microprocessor and what the bootloader software, as well as what is the particular benefit of that type of microprocessor. So firstly, describe the microprocessor, and that's why I'm just sharing my screen. So this is the microprocessor. The name of the total microprocessor is called ATSAMD21. And you see, the first benefit is that this is the low power microprocessor, and this is the 32-bit Cortex M0 plus microprocessor. And another benefit is that this microprocessor can run up to 48 megahertz. So that is, the frequency is so much very good, but I think it should be not great if you use a very big amount of frequency like star oscillator. Then it takes the data so much frequent, and that's why the current will be high and the battery life will be low. So I think maximum board operate this in the 32 kilohertz crystal oscillator. The second benefit is that there is a very good flash memory, as well as the system has a different type of protection like power on reset protection and burnout detection, and different type of internal or external interrupt controller. This is a low power, I say again. And yeah, this is the feature of the microprocessor. And let's know what is bootloader. So before knowing that, the bootloader is something like a software. So microcontrollers are usually programmed through a programmer unless you have a piece of firmware in your microcontroller that allows installing new firmware without the need of external programmer. That means if you do not have the bootloader, it needs a burner or programmer or something like that. So if you want to upload your program directly to your microprocessor through any environment like Arduino IDE or something like that, then you of course need to upload the bootloader. A bootloader basically is software, something it is. You can compare this with a brand new PC. Let us consider you buy a brand new PC, but from the shop, if they will not give you like a operating system, you need to uh, include the or upload the operating system by yourself, such as Windows or Linux or different type of operating system. There's something like that. If you buy a brand new microprocessor, there should not be a operating system like bootloader software. So you need to upload this software by yourself. If you make a lot of microprocessor project, you cannot buy exactly already uploaded bootloader software. So for doing this, you need to upload the bootloader. So this is the basic schematic diagram for if you want to upload a bootloader software to your dedicated PC board, where you already solder your microprocessor. You must make sure this 5 pin is connected, is bring out to your uh, total PCB. That means this 5 pin should be outside. That means by using this 5 pin, you can upload the bootloader. The first pin is that this 3.3 volt bus bar, and the second pin is the ground. The third pin is the SWDIO and SWCL. Through these two pin, you need to upload the bootloader. The reset pin, you can use the reset pin, but I think the reset pin is not usable because for uploading the bootloader, I think the reset pin is not important. So let's go to the website where we can buy the bootloader software. So this is the bootloader.store. This is a very good website. They provide different type of service. The first service, they provide a bootloader solution. So for the bootloader solution, I buy this device. For getting this device, you need to click this link and you need to give your some address and email address and different type of information. That's why they can ship your bootloader this device to your dedicated home. And there's a documentation link. By using that, you can understand how to upload the bootloader. So I already downloaded it and I read it how we can do that. So this is the method, and this is the microprocessor. That's how we just upload the bootloader. The first method involves placing the microprocessor into a dedicated socket. That means this refer that this is a dedicated socket and run the hardware. Then it is something like a plug and play, and it involves some basic steps. The first it is means the microprocessor socket. The second, it means the USB socket for checking the microprocessor after uploading the bootloader. Then the green LED indicates the power. When you enter USB port of any USB in socket, then it will glow up. That should be great. That means you can understand the board is connected with the computer. The 4 is the LED which is connected to the 26 number pin of the microprocessor, and 5 means the main USB for the Arduino Zero. So what is the steps? The first step is put the ATSAMD21 AU into the microprocessor socket. I already uploaded the bootloader for the Adafruit Emu Adalogon in the SD card. That means they already uploaded this bootloader software to their SD card. And if I need to upload another software, then you go to the link. So let's go to the link. Yeah. Wow, there's a tons of bootloader software. So you can select the bootloader software from any for any particular of your project, and then rename it. This is very important. Like you need to rename it fw.bin. Then open the Arduino IDE, then tools, port, Arduino MCAT 0, then serial monitor. Then this dedicated message will pop up on your serial monitor. And the second way is that if you already solder your microprocessor in your project, and then you cannot desolder your microprocessor. So what you need to do, you need to bring this particular 4 pin, 3.3 volt ground and SWDIO, SWCLK. By using this 4 pin, you can upload the bootloader. So what you need to connect for the Arduino 0 pin, you can see like here is the pin which you need. For the 3.3 volt, we need to connect this VCC of the Arduino 0 SWDIO. This should be connected with this MISO, and SWCLK should be connected in the SCK, and ground should be connected in the ground. And they give me some notes, and it is that when you're uploading the code in the microprocessor, I recommend entering the bootloader mode first. This should be great, because bootloader mode helps you very quickly enter the code to your microprocessor. So how you can go to the bootloader mode? You can enter the bootloader mode by pressing the reset button twice within 1 second. And this normal instruction. So let's start. So firstly, I'm just showing you after I'm just stop my screen and turn on my camera. So this is the device which I buy from that website. They are very quick. I give all my information, and then they email me and ask me the GLA number. And I send the GLA number, and oh, they give me a GLA number, and by using the GLA, I send $100 and the shipping cost, and they within 2 days they send me this device, and that's pretty. And for doing this, I need to connect to my USB to my computer. So what I need to do, like I'm just connect my USB to my computer. Yeah. So for doing this, I'm just to share my screen, and tools, port, and MCAT 0. So before doing that, I'm just open the serial monitor, tools, port, MCAT 0. Yeah, this command is pop up. That means the bootloader which we have in the SD card, that is go to the uh, our brand new microprocessor, and for checking it's working or not. So I'm just open the camera, and then I'm just connect my uh, cable to this USB port. This USB port is dedicated for only this microprocessor, and I'm just trying to upload a very basic code for the blinking LED. Before doing that, we need to just select, yeah, you see, we have already uploaded the bootloader in the brand new microprocessor, and it is the Adafruit Feather MO bootloader. So for doing this, we need to upload this code. The first time it takes a little bit time, you know. Oh, there you go. So I stop the share and turn on. Oh, you see the LED light is blinking within 1 second, because this LED light is connected with this microprocessor 26 number pin. That means this 26 number pin is dedicated for the 30 number pin. You see this 30 number pin, so this like blinking, that means this working. So that is great. So this website is very good and very helpful, so you can just buy this from the website. I also gave you the link of this website in my description. So goodbye, have a nice day.